channel. Today's video is going to be the car tour. If you haven't seen my past vlogs, you wouldn't know that I did get a new car, and I actually got my dream car, which is absolutely crazy. And I just want to start this video out by saying a disclaimer that this is by no means bragging or trying to show off or anything like that. That is not the kind of person that I am. However, this is a huge deal for us. I'm 24, my husband is 21, so for us to have been able to get this car is just a huge blessing, and I can't help to thank all of those that were involved in helping. There was a lot of people and a lot of time that went into getting this car. So what we did was we traded Dwight's truck in because he didn't really need a truck anymore, and we needed a good car that we can depend on. As you guys know, we're trying to start a family, so I wanted a good car, and it didn't even have to be this car, but I just needed a newer car to know that I can, go from wherever I need to go safely and not have to worry. My other car, there's nothing wrong with it, like as far as it runs fine and stuff like that, but sometimes it wouldn't start. Just little things here and there that are okay as far as like Dwight driving that car every day, but for me driving that car every day, trying to start a family, eventually hoping to have a baby, it's not the car that I want to be my daily driver, just because of that reason of never knowing exactly what could happen to it. So anyways, we got my dream car. So this is a Ford Explorer, which that's what I wanted, but it didn't have to be brand new. This is a 2018 Ford Explorer. It is, it's the basic model. Like, I didn't get a limited or anything like that, so it doesn't have like all the bells and whistles, but that's fine with me. I don't really personally care about all that stuff too much. It is nice, but again, we are on somewhat of a budget, so we had to stay within a price range. And yeah, this was a huge financial decision, so that's why I want you guys to know that I am not bragging by any means. However, I love these car tour videos. I love watching other people's, especially when I was looking to figure out what car did I want. I just went to YouTube and started searching for them, and so I could see the car tours, see the different models, the different versions of every car, what has this, what doesn't have this, and stuff like that. So I just found the car tours really helpful, and I just want to document that at 24 and 21 we were able to get our dream car, and Dwight loves this car probably more than I do, to be completely honest. He drove it last week for a couple of days, and he was like, I don't know if I'm going to give you your car back, which I thought was funny because he's been a truck person this whole time. But he was like, the next car we're going to get's another one of these and stuff like that. So we're not getting another car for a long time. He is perfectly okay with driving the car that I was driving. And he drives his dad's truck every now and again when he needs a truck. Like he drove it this weekend because duck season is over and he had to go pick up everything and bring it home. So anyways, but I did want to show you the car, so I'm going to show you the inside right now, kind of just explain or whatever, and then I might run it through the car wash, and I'm going to have my brother help me film some stuff as far as like the car as a whole. So let's just get started. So first of all, I will say we do have a seat cover over this back seat because we did get cloth. They didn't have leather in our price range, which is fine. I don't personally like leather. I do know it's easier to keep clean, and we do have dogs and dog hair, but it is what it is. So I have a cover. It's actually one of those hammocks that comes up to here, and so like she couldn't jump up here or whatever. So we have that. It does have a third row, which is up right now, and then there's some stuff I need to take to Goodwill today in the very back. So yeah, we got the third row. We thought that that was the most beneficial. We don't know how many kids we will have since it's been a struggle having one so far that we don't have yet, but you know what I mean. So, but we do have 3 dogs, 2 of which are large. So we wanted to make sure that we had the third row, but we also can put it down to put the dogs back there when we go camping and stuff like that. That's something we do a lot in the summer, and the dogs go with us. So yeah, we wanted to make sure we had room for all the dogs and children, so we definitely do. And so yeah, and so now I will just show you guys the front. It is still a little dirty. I did vacuum it out a little bit, but this is what it looks like. It's black interior, and yeah, I just like it a lot. It does have like a backup camera and stuff like that, and yeah, so this is just an overview of the car. There's the third row seat, and then there's still plenty of trunk room in the back as well. So yeah, I am just absolutely in love with the car, and I'll show you guys back here. So again, the middle seat, we could have got captain's chairs if we wanted to have searched a little bit longer, but it wasn't that big of a deal to me, so we just got the bench seat. And then again, I just have this case. As you can see, her hair is all over it, which would be all over these seats if we didn't have it, so that's really helpful. And I got that on Amazon. I can link it down below if anyone is interested. And yeah. Alright guys, I forgot to film an outro for this video. Of course, you know, it never goes exactly how I would like it to. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this car tour. Leave in the comments below what your favorite car is, or what your dream car is, and if you have it or not. And also, if you guys have any other video ideas, comment them down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.